Hey everybody, welcome back to Low RC. This is Jason, Liz, and Wyatt, and we're out here at the shed in front of Crawler County today for a little unboxing. And this is a Vanquish product again. This is our third Vanquish, and this one is the Vs410 Fordyce. I think maybe this might be the best value out of all the Vs410s. So we're going to unbox this thing today, check it out. And in a future video in the next day or two, take it over to Crawler County and try out some of our new obstacles. But Wyatt's going to do the honors today. He's the official unboxer here at the channel. So let's check this thing.
Today, 'cause I've done 40 yards of concrete.
Yeah, we poured.
Wyatt has too, but he's got the energy.
Yeah, Wyatt's young. He can handle that.
20-year-old.
You guys really just put this thing in here.
Oh, look at that. It just pops right out of the wheels.
Huh?
All right, pretty cool. There it is. What's in the bag there? Let's check out the remote here first before we... I've heard good things about this remote. It has like a little LCD panel on the top. Pretty nice little remote there. Oh, Wyatt's going to do the honors pulling the plastic off for the first time. And there's the Fordyce. Beautiful little Vanquish. It'll go well with the rest of our Vanquish collection.
Products are nice and sturdy. I like Vanquish products. Aren't they coming out with some really nice ones even now?
Yeah, they got that new H10 optic, which is really cool. And then I'm sure they have more coming down the road, but I think this one is really cool because it kind of simplifies some of the previous models. It doesn't have like the selectable overdrive and the dig. It's just the VFD transmission and the solid Vs410 chassis, but it comes with really cool tires.
Does that lid come off, Wyatt?
Falcon Wild Peaks, man, those are sticky.
What's it called though?
The body.
I'm sure it does.
Let's open it.
Yeah, let's take a look underneath.
How
Wyatt.
does it flip up?
Probably just like the Phoenix, it's probably got 2 pins in the back. And it probably lifts forward. Yeah.
There's Miles. Get ready to go in the water.
Let's check Miles out here. He's out here with us today for the unboxing, but he has no interest.
The pond's a little low and looks dirty, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's clear. You can see right to the bottom.
Uh-huh.
Looks like we got red dirt, but we don't.
There it is.
All right, let's check out underneath the...
Does it have lights at work, Jason?
No lights, but it's all set up. It's got little light buckets and light pods, so...
Thank you, Wyatt.
Pretty easy to do. There's the VFD transmission. Nice low motor. It looks like a 1060 ESC, but it's got the little Vanquish sticker on it. XT60 plug. There's the receiver. Same Vs410 chassis. Solid chassis. But can't wait to get this thing out on the course and try it out. Should we go show off some of the new obstacles here in this video?
Yeah, let's walk over.
Yeah, we're gonna walk over and check out some of the new obstacles, and then in a future video we will run this thing. Here's the Vs410 Ultra, perched, ready to run on some of the new parts of the course. This is Mount Miles, but this is what Liz and Wyatt did the other day. They created this little cement pond here.
We found the water.
Yeah.
There's a water park here, Miles. It probably is hot. I'm gonna put my toes in it. It's not hot.
I think hot water great.
Yeah. It's beautiful. And this is beautiful. I like that little crawl now. That looks more fun. If you don't make it, you're going to flop right down in the water. You'd be upside down. And then our neat little pad over there. Let's go show it off.
And then we come around this way. This is kind of the rest of the course. Some of the older sections.
Put some concrete under this tree right here.
Oh, yeah, let's go around here and check that out.
Right here.
Kind of improved that approach there. Some there on that side of the slide. Or was that already there?
Take our seat.
That was over.
Yeah.
I put a little bit at the bottom because we didn't have any at the bottom there to come down.
And then Liz and Wyatt. There's the boot prints there.
This whole pad.
They poured this little pad here in front
Big,
of our
big
Hello
pad.
RC. Yeah.
Look.
Hello RC sign.
People can see if they have bigger feet than me. Now, how's
He
come
had
my
boots
boots
on.
are bigger like that?
I don't know.
They fit me.
But really cool. So we will get this truck out here probably tomorrow, and I'll drive it around the course, try some of this stuff out. So if you want to see how this truck performs
Who's gonna
on,
drive around the course?
I am.
I want to see the new parts.
Well, you drove the RC four-wheel drive
we
on
still
it.
got to show the alligator off.
Oh, yep. Let's go to the alligator. Okay, we're going to walk up here to the hippo that we added over here. I don't know if it shows up on camera,
The hippo, Wyatt?
but we
I
just
should
called it
put
the hippo.
ears on it.
There's its eyes made out of rocks, its little head.
Hippos have those little short ears.
Yeah,
I could have definitely stuck some ears on it.
but very cool.
I'll have to put paper ears on it.
And then on over here, after the duck crossing, we've got the alligator.
Alligator.
Yep, the alligator
We're gonna be able to crawl it now.
guards the little crawler pond. Miles is not afraid of the alligator.
Miles, you see the alligator? He doesn't really care about
He's in the
alligator.
water.
I'm glad we don't have alligators here.
Yeah. But we'll be out here real soon, so if you want to see the truck on this course, please subscribe, hit the notification button, and we'll see you
See
soon.
more of Wyatt and me.
That's right. Thanks for watching.
Okay, bye.